Today I will be talking about how to go on Schoology and all of the things that you can do on it. To look it up, you just type in Schoology and click the first link. Just waiting for it to load. And you have to have an account to log into Schoology and to go on it, so I'm going to log into my account. There's courses, groups, resources, and grades. In courses, you can check what classes you have for school, and in groups, you can check what type of groups you have for your school, such as announcements, the marketplace, information on the fitness center, information on SHC Spirit, and etc. In resources, there's information on all the things that you need to do if it's personal or a group, such as for the whole school. There's information on what we had for summer assignments and books we needed to have. It all depends on what your school is doing. There's SHC dining for the school year menus. There's things on the SHC library. It's much like the groups and information, except these are more grouped off. And for grades, you can go check your grades, but I'm not going to go on there. For your courses, whatever you click on, for example, geometry, you can see what things you have, such as assignments that are due on other days or the agenda that you have for that day. And for today, I'm doing the math assignment technology skills screencasting right now. And it shows the date of when these are due or when they're assigned. And you can also check the members of your class, depending on whatever class it is. And that's it to Schoology. If you have one, then this is a good guide or a good app for anyone who needs things for school.